What you do when you create an excess amount of something, so let's say iron ore in Australia, if you pull too much out of the ground, demand collapses. I mean, you've got too much supply, so prices fall, right? So if you create too much supply of a currency, and we see it because the banks are hoarding this stuff, the price of the currency falls. Now, we grew up in a world where the Aussie dollar goes up against the US dollar or goes down, or the euro goes up against the Aussie, right? That's the relative valuation. But Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Europe, the UK, Canada, the US, they're all printing money. So what happens is the value of all of these currencies falls together. So you're like, well, how can that work? Surely one has to go against another. No, they fall against things of scarce supply. Gold, Bitcoin, real estate, equities. Those are why these things go up so much. It's the value of the denominator goes down, the fiat currency. So if you ever look at the chart of the Venezuelan stock market, it's the best performing stock market in the world and has been forever, but it's not. That is priced in Bolivar, but the currency keeps devaluing about 70% a year. When you put it into US dollars, the stock market's gone down a lot. This is what is going on. So the central banks around the world, the G4 big central banks, are printing currency at the rate of about 15% a year. So your hurdle on your investments is now 15% a year, or you're getting poorer. I.e., you can afford less of a house or less investments every year because of this. And crypto is one of the only things that outperforms the central bank balance sheets. So I checked this and looked at real estate prices in Germany against the ECB balance sheet, flatline. They're the same thing. Well, German real estate looks like it's going up. Swedish real estate, UK real estate, Australian real estate, Canadian real estate, US real estate, they're all the same. What they're doing is reflecting the fall in the value of the currencies created by the central banks creating too much currency.